Servicios de La Raza is celebrating 50 years of serving Colorado's Latino community this year. And one of the ways that they're doing it is by providing COVID-19 vaccinations to all who need them. And joining us from Servicios to discuss the program is Dr. Ricardo González-Fisher. And Dr. Servicios de La Raza, they've been instrumental really in helping spread the word about COVID-19, really doing a lot of advocacy work. How do you think that advocacy has helped?
Since the beginning of the pandemic, even before we had access to vaccines, we started to be part of the equity team of Governor Polis to try to have access to our communities with information, testing, and through our group of wonderful people at Servicios de La Raza, we started to move with our mobile health unit to different areas around the state to provide initially testing. And as soon as the vaccine was available, we started to provide vaccines to our community.
And it's especially important because COVID-19 hit the Latino community especially hard throughout the pandemic. So how many people, if you had to guess, do you think that Servicios has helped throughout the course of this pandemic?
If we just count vaccines, we're close to 12,000. And if we start to talk about how many people we did testing for, maybe we're close to 3,000 more. So I think that just for COVID-19, we've been doing 15,000 people.
And that is a very important and really life-saving measure for members of the Latino community and beyond. Now, vaccination, though, just one health service that Servicios provides. Obviously, it's Servicios, so it's plural. There's a lot that you do. Give me a quick list of some other services and why they're so important.
There's a lot of services that we provide that are very important. We started by during the pandemic, helping people to have access to food, to money, to pay their rent and those things through support that we got from the government. We were doing that. Now we have a crisis on behavioral health, so we have a group of behavioral health providers that is doing this for people. We keep on doing health enrollment, health insurance enrollment. We're working also with testing for COVID or for cholesterol or for other risk factors there. We have a reentry program. We're serving all the people who really need the most.
And the list goes on and on now, yeah. Running for 50 years. Dr. Ricardo González-Fisher, thank you so much for joining us. And one more reminder, Servicios still offering those vaccination clinics. They are on Thursdays, but they are by appointment only. You can learn more or sign up by calling the number there on your screen or online at serviciosdelaraza.org.